Hello YouTubers. So today we're going to be cooking Sloppy Joe mix, Asian inspired, with Team Donovan. So I've already pre-cooked 5 pounds of beef and drained it. Now, of course, as you know, you don't need a crock pot to cook this, but it's nice to be able to just put all this stuff in well before you have someone come over and have it slowly finish off instead of having to time stuff right. So I'm adding some celery, chopped up celery, about half a piece of celery because I don't have any green peppers. So I'm using that. I got about 4 kosher pickles chopped up. About 1 sweet onion chopped up. And we're going to use medium-sized petite diced tomatoes. And 1 small tomato paste. There we go. And now I'm going to top that off with some teriyaki. Splash of that. And I had a little bit left anyways. Some Worcestershire sauce. Just a little bit, but more than maybe you would normally use because of the fact I'm using 5 pounds of beef. Splash of sesame seed oil. I was going to use the sesame seeds, but I have the oil, so I might as well use a couple drops of that, maybe a couple more. There we go. And some peanut sauce. A little spicy, but not too much. And if you wanted to add a lot of spice, you'd either add red pepper flakes or green chilies, jalapenos maybe if you really wanted spice. I like poblanos because it's got a smoky flavor. And so we're gonna grind up some sea salt. And some pepper. And I'm also gonna add some ketchup. Some of this is, I use by my eyes. Sorry about the noise. And we'll stir it up. Yeah, I probably need a little bit more ketchup. And of course, almost forgot. Apologize for that. A little bit of minced garlic. I love garlic. I happen to have the minced stuff, so that's what I'm using. And almost forgot brown sugar. I don't use much, just a little bit. A little dab of duty on this. It's not really coming out. There we go. Oh boy. Stir that around a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna let this start cooking. And I'm going to add a little bit more ketchup. As soon as I find it. Here we go. There we go. Oh, and tiny bit of just for time here, but a little bit of mustard, Dijon. Okay, so let that cook. Break down the onions and the celery, and probably check on low for about 4 hours and check on it later. All right, see you then. Okay, so we're checking back 4 hours later. I added a tiny bit of more ketchup just to make the ratio a little bit better. And here we have it. And of course mixing throughout the time. So it looks pretty good. And personally this time around I'm gonna go ahead and just have some with some chips. But I like to also eat it on top of rice, or of course on some toasted bread. But you know, options. And of course, whatever I don't eat today, I'll freeze and reuse for another day. So there you have it, Sloppy Joe's, Asian inspired, in a crock pot. Nice and easy. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.